That was... Phew.
Reed, dude, what the heck was that last bit?
Yeah, that vision you gave Faye was... ominous.
Things are reaching their conclusion. Time's almost up.
Hey, Trish, can we talk?
Sure, but it's kinda late though. Gotta go feed Mango. Sage, walk me home, my cook with the left hook. We'll talk later. Battle of the Bands is gonna be epic. See ya!
Good evening. Our top story tonight, the latest on the asteroid scientists are predicting will make a close pass to the planet.
Officials continue to say there is little danger posed by this once-in-a-generation astrological event, with most projections showing the space rock missing impact by a margin of 20 to 30%.
But one local amateur astronomer is raising alarm with new self-published trajectories that show a much higher chance of impact from this massive object.
This is the road to feel. It's to find a path to speak it out.
It's funny. It's not the day of a big thing that makes you nervous. It's the day before.
Ugh. Get out of my head. How's it going with you?
It's going. You?
Blah.
BOTB tomorrow? Right?
Yes?
Oh, God. Yeah. I remember, 'cause, well, I could draw your poster from memory. I saw so many of them when I collected them from school. So, effective marketing.
Funny.
Anyway, sorry for being a narc. How's the show prep going?
We are as ready as we'll ever be, I guess. I just keep thinking of everything that could go wrong.
Like breaking a guitar string.
Well, I wasn't until you said that. No, I mean, like the part where we have to get in front of a bunch of people and not suck.
Oh. And what if you do?
I'd probably die.
I get like this sometimes. I think everybody does. I got an idea. We do this sometimes in drama to work out stage fright.
I am not doing a trust fall.
No, not that. Just focus on your breathing. Now, put your hands on your hips like you're Captain Triassic. Come on, a real power stance like this. Now, you won. Why did you win?
I guess... playing together is kind of amazing. And people can tell we're having a good time. Huh. Hey. I'm sorry for blowing up at you the other day. I was being kind of a dick. I really do appreciate you, lil bro.
I know. We're family. Whether you like it or not. So, I'm here to help.
Okay. She's my best friend. We've talked about stuff before. And I know what I want to say, I just have to actually say it. Listen, Trish.
Morning, Fang! Pretty day, right? I can't believe the sky could be hiding something so bad. You know? Sorry, I've had a lot of coffee. I get free beans at Lava Java. I should stop talking.
Yeah, you totally go into a caffeine fugue state. So, I'm basically her chaperone right now.
Sure. Anything for a friend, right?
I'm glad you're wired, Rosa. I barely slept last night.
Mango keep you up with her chewing again?
I've gotten used to that. No, just life. Hey, did I tell you Dad's out of town again? Anyway, it's been a lot. Between studying and practicing and momming.
I know, but I think it's great you decided to stick it out to the battle. You kept saying you wanted to go out with a bang, and now you get to.
Yeah, I guess so.
Yeah. The battle's gonna be great. But it's just the beginning. I mean, for worm drama.
Yeah, totally. I know I'm leading for a while, but it's gonna be okay. Chop a worm in half and you get 2 worms. I mean, that's us. 2 halves of the same worm just reeling along, doing our wormy things. It's gonna be totally fine. Hey, whatever happened to that person who was texting you?
Oh yeah, your mystery missives.
we actually get along. It's kind of wild.
Keep us posted. I'm so curious. I better grab my books. See you later.
So, I kind of thought you wanted to talk when you texted me.
Yeah, I did. I do. Always. Everything's nuts right now, but I don't want that to mean we don't hang out.
Right. Just you and me. And Rosa.
Yeah, that was an accident. Rosa's really great, though. Promise. She likes you.
She's cool, but, could we make some time for just the two of us, though?
Heck yeah, anytime you want. Well, not anytime, but you know what I mean.
Okay. So, ritual tonight?
I gotta babysit tonight.
Right.
Well, maybe we can do it the day of the show?
I guess that could work.
Well, see you tomorrow, I guess?
Of course. See ya. Nasser?
Hey, Sib. I'm working late on yearbook stuff with Naomi. Nice pick, by the way. There's some sesame noodles in the fridge for you. Just heat them up with a little oil. Hey, Mom and Dad are calling.
Right now?
Yep, come on. They're coming right now.
Hello?
Okay. There you are. It's good to see you. Nasra said you've been working a lot. Is that why you look so tired?
I guess. Band stuff.
Listen, your mother and I have decided to come back tomorrow.
That early?
It's all this news about the meteor.
Asteroid.
What's the difference?
Doesn't matter. Same impact?
Very funny, Nasser.
Hey, guess what Fang's doing tonight?
What? What are you doing?
Oh, it's nothing.
Their band made it into this huge music competition. Only a few acts made it this far, and it would be huge if they won. Like, career in music huge.
Interesting. I never had a talent for music. I tried in college, you know?
I remember. Unfortunately for me. So, what? You win money or something?
Not exactly. No. We don't win $1 million. Sorry. We just get to play another show.
Mm-hmm. Who else will be there? Patricia?
Well, she's in the band, so yeah.
I like her. You should invite her for supper when we get back.
Don't forget, I don't want to come home to a house that looks like a robbery happened. Fatma, you especially.
Be good.
You especially.
Haha. Laugh it up, funny guy.
Guess I shouldn't tell them I'm releasing a comedy album.
I don't think they'd survive. I've been a bad influence on you.
Well, I guess the age of freedom has come to an end. Honestly, I was starting to miss them. This is the last of the gear. You nervous?
I hope I don't jinx it, but yeah.
You're gonna kill it. Good luck. See you there?
Yeah, see ya.
Wait,
Seriously?
just 1 second.
Huh? You packed me a lunch?
More like an early dinner.
Thanks, Dad.
Have something in your stomach to puke out from all the nerves. Now, good luck.
Hello, hello.
Oh, dearest lead singer.
So,
It's gonna be fine.
I know. I mean, no, I don't. We could completely bomb.
It is gonna be fine.
We should have practiced more. Let's go over the set list one more time.
Fang, bro, dude, we got this. You got this. We're in, like, LJ likes us, and honestly, we rule. The hard part is over. It's time for the have fun and blow everyone's minds part, which I'm personally excited about. Remember when you booked us at that retirement place?
You mean the Shady Palms retirement community from which we are banned for life?
Yeah. I still think that was one of our best shows.
Oh, yeah, it was. Lucky nobody died.
See? We've been touching people's lives with our music for years. Think, when we started, you and I are basically the same height. Oh, look at us. We're like actual complete people now.
Speak for yourself.
You can play way more than 4 bar chords. You can play all the chords. You become like this musical wizard.
Mage.
And you are also here.
Yup.
Seriously. You guys are in all my best memories.
Yeah, I know.
Man.
The end for now.
Hey, we've still got one more worm drama memory to make.
Yeah, we do. Whoa. I suddenly feel extremely cool and capable. Yep.
Ooh, this is legit. Never seen so many bards in one place before.
Hey, rock stars! Is this wild or what? Finally get to see worm drama in its natural habitat. And got some VIPs waiting for a meet and greet before soundcheck.
Please, please, no autographs.
Too bad, I'm gonna need one. Don't worry, you guys have got this. Seriously. First of all, you look incredible. Second of all, I think they picked the winner based on how loud the audience is. I drank hot tea all day, so I can cheer extra loud all night. Seriously, you've been scoping out the competition, and you really don't have anything to worry about.
Well, crisis averted.
I believe in you. There's a ton of bands here, but none of them are the worm drama.
Thanks.
Gotta support my worms.
Hey, you got any plans this summer? We're gonna need a tour manager.
Sign me up.
Wanna draw a card? See how it'll go?
Can you guarantee a good omen?
No, can't do. I promised a witch I wouldn't touch tarot cards for 5 more years.
Okay. And you're up, Fang.
Can't hurt, I guess.
Star! Oh, wow.
It's actually bad, right? What you're gonna say?
No way! The star is a card about a wish coming true. I mean, yes, typically it's after a bad time or a big change. But you come out of it ready to make shit happen.
Look, is there any way to build character without, like, losing the battle? 'Cause that's what I'm hearing right now.
I mean, it all sounds like whatever happens, you'll be okay with it.
100%. I get how it seems scary, but the card is really talking about how ready you are for something good.
Oh, hey! Naomi!
You think she's okay?
She's giving off a lot of worried librarian energy right now.
Naomi!
She'll be fine. We've gotta go.
Y'all from the stage, baby!
A worm drama!
Look at them. Seriously, why are they so popular?
I hate to say it, but they know how to play.
Fang?
It's true. They're, like, technically good. I mean, not good, but, you know.
Catchy hooks, watered down alt boy aesthetic. Yeah. People eat that shit up.
Oh shit! Oh shit! It's happening! Bee of the bees! It's drum o'clock!
Why are my fingers so slippery?
Wait, what's a guitar? What is music, really? When you stop to think about it.
I love you guys.
Oh shit!
Wait, what's happening?
Worm drama, right?
That's right. Want to fight about it?
Not really. Anyway, yeah, nice. My little cousin said your posters were up all over the high school. It's awesome that LJ lets kids compete.
Kids?
Teens?
Teens?
We are in fact teens, Trish.
You're Fang?
Yes.
LJ says you have a pretty sick voice. We've been playing around with something, like, really different for backup vocals on our new stuff. Maybe you should come down to the studio sometime. Could be good exposure, you know?
Ha! We're good. Thanks.
Yeah, super good.
Well, think about it. We had 80,000 listens last month. Probably gonna tour again soon.
Oh, and hey. Looks like we're on right before you. Good luck out there.
Yeah, you have fun.
Nice one, T. Those dudes truly suck.
Could be good for exposure. Buzz off, dick.
Yeah, gross.
Now we have to win. Even harder than we were already going to.
Cheers to that.
Yeah. No, you're right. We're gonna win and we're gonna play Caldera Fest.
And we're gonna get like 1 billion listens.
Take that, Trant.
Hey.
Hey yourself.
A lot of people out there. A lot of future Worm Drama fans.
Or a lot of booers. Booing ones. Ones that boo.
This doesn't seem like a booing type crowd.
Says Mr. Never Been Booed.
You've seen my speeches. I have definitely been booed.
Okay, me booing you does not count.
Oh my god, we gotta stop saying boo. Listen, you're going to be great. All 3 of you are. You're only here because you've kept going every step of the way, no matter what. It's no different here. Trust me, once you're up there, it's going to hit you. This is your moment. The first of many your moments. Time to face the music.
You got so far, too.
Gotta be me. Remember when you taught me piano chords?
Wow, I forgot all about that.
And think about it a lot. Teach these assholes a thing or two.